I'm going to tell you a word, and you say the first thing that comes to mind. So, for instance, I say dog, you say...
Spots.
Okay. When I say nature, you say...
Green.
Apple.
Canada.
Tree.
Mother. Beautiful.
Camping.
Conservation.
In danger.
Nature is green, but also blue and brown. There's actually a lot of colors that come around with nature.
Backpacking and being relatively content. Being content, but in a mildly melancholy way, where like there's still a smile on your face, but you kind of you're sad.
That it's beautiful and we're not taking care of it. The planet is in danger. There's a lot of things that need to change.
I think nature is just a really, really broad topic, which is great. I think nature can be trees, but it can also be the origin of things or the nature of people.
I was riding my bike today, and I was thinking about the different things I could be doing and how happy I was to be out in nature, and that it was forcing me to be out in nature. And I was really happy to have the opportunity to be looking at Mount San Jacinto and to be out in nature. I didn't go up, but I looked at it, and we have snow and we had great beauty. And it's really, I don't know, it's very important, and it really makes me feel settled to be connected to nature.
I remember when I was a kid, we would go to this place called Lacey Park, which was a bike park. And it was super lush and green, and it had all these like lawns and stuff. And I remember going there for like Easter and stuff, and like just being surrounded by like roses and these giant trees. And yeah, it was a big part of my childhood. I think nature is a weird idea. I mean, is it biology? Is it chemistry? Is it defined by physics or any means of science, or is it a spiritual type of concept? Nature. I just think of trees and stuff, man, but maybe it's beyond that.
And why that melancholic contentness?
I don't know.
What
because
about
that's
nature brings that out?
It generally being a kind of sad thing, especially for a human.